My name is Michael Norton, and today we're going to talk about the Almenara Golf Course. The Almenara Golf Course was founded in 1998 with the idea of bringing a pay-and-play golf course to the resort in order to help sell the real estate in the northern part of Sotogrande. The architect was Dave Thomas, who is well famous for having designed the Belfry in Birmingham. The golf course is 3 loops of 9, and one of them is called Los Pinos, the second is called Los Alcornocales, and the third Los Lagos. This course is a very challenging course and great fun to play with the family, and a very good introduction to golf in Sotogrande. If you'd like any further information on this golf course, please don't hesitate to contact us at openfrontiers.com.